Space is quiet. At least, it feels that way when we look up at the night sky. But when we listen, truly listen, the universe is anything but silent. For over a century, scientists have been detecting strange signals, flashes of energy, unexpected patterns, signals that appear once and never return. Some were dismissed, some were misunderstood, and some still resist explanation. Today, I want to take you on a scientific journey, not into speculation, but into 5 real signals detected from space. Signals that forced astronomers to stop, question their assumptions, and ask a very human question. What exactly are we hearing? This is not about aliens, it's about curiosity and the limits of our understanding. In the early 20th century, radio pioneers noticed something unsettling. They transmitted radio signals, and seconds later, sometimes minutes later, the same signal came back. These were called long-delayed echoes. At first, scientists suspected the ionosphere, then plasma effects, then reflections from distant objects. But some echoes returned up to 15 seconds later, far longer than Earth's atmosphere could explain. No solid explanation ever fully solved the phenomenon. Today, most researchers believe the cause was likely natural plasma behavior in near-Earth space, but the data is incomplete, fragmented, and frozen in time. The echoes faded, but the mystery never fully did. In 2015, astronomers noticed something deeply unusual. A star, KIC 8462852, now known as Tabby's star, was dimming in irregular patterns. Not the smooth dip of a planet passing in front, but chaotic, dramatic drops, up to 22% of its light. At first, no model worked. Speculation exploded. Even scientists briefly considered exotic explanations. Eventually, evidence pointed toward clouds of uneven cosmic dust. But here's the important part: we didn't know, and for a long time, we truly couldn't explain it. Tabby's star reminded the scientific community of something essential. Nature often behaves in ways we haven't learned to expect yet. In 2007, astronomers found something strange hidden in old data. A radio pulse, lasting milliseconds, yet releasing as much energy as the sun produces in days. These became known as fast radio bursts, or FRBs. For years, we had no idea where they came from. Some appeared once, others repeated, but irregularly. Today, we know many FRBs likely originate from magnetars, ultra-dense neutron stars with extreme magnetic fields. But not all of them fit the pattern. Some FRBs still behave in ways that don't fully match our models, which means we're closer, but not done listening. In 2003, a radio signal was detected during a SETI observation. It was narrow-band, strong, and appeared in a frequency range we actively monitor. It was named SHGB 02+14A. Unlike noise, it had structure. Unlike known cosmic sources, it didn't repeat predictably. The signal never returned. No confirmation, no repetition, no explanation. Most scientists suspect an unknown natural source or a rare instrumental artifact. But scientifically speaking, it remains unclassified, not alien, not solved, simply unknown. On August 15, 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio detected something extraordinary. A strong, narrow-band signal lasting 72 seconds, exactly where SETI expected an artificial transmission to appear. Astronomer Jerry Eman circled the data and wrote one word: "Wow." The signal was never detected again. Decades of analysis followed. Natural explanations were proposed, including hydrogen clouds. Yet no model fully reproduces the original signal. And so, nearly 50 years later, it remains one of the most famous unanswered questions in astronomy. Not proof of anything extraordinary, but proof that we are still beginners at listening to the cosmos. Science doesn't fear the unknown, it welcomes it. Every unexplained signal is not a failure, it's an invitation to observe more carefully, to build better instruments, to ask better questions. The universe is speaking, and we are still learning its language. If curiosity drives you the way it drives us here, you're already part of the experiment. Welcome to Cosmic Curiosity Lab.